Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to make this computer table. So let's now start the video. First go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle of 50, comma 750. Now go to push pull tool, give value of 750 mm. Now select this body, right click and make group. Now again go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle of 750, comma 500. Go to push pull tool, drag it up here. Now select this whole body, go to move tool, select this point and drag it up to 850 mm. Now go to line tool, select this point and make a line like this. Again make a line like this and select this point and close the profile. Now I'm going to push pull tool, give value of 50 mm. Now we'll make the top of the computer table. Always go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle like this. Now go to push pull tool, give value of 50 mm. Here also give value of 50 mm. Now go to erase tool, erase this line. Now go to push pull tool, select this and drag it up to 50 mm. Now go to line tool, select this point and make a horizontal line like this. Again select this point, make a horizontal line like this. Here also select this point and join this line. Go to erase tool, so erase this line. Here also erase this line. Now go to push pull tool, select this way and drag it up to 50 mm. Here also select this way and drag it up to 50 mm. Similarly here also. Now go to line tool, select this point and make a horizontal line like this. I'm going to push pull tool, take this way, press control and drag it up to 25 mm. You need select this face, drag it to 25 mm. Now let's make the handle for the drawers. Or go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Similarly here also make a rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool, drag it up to 60 mm. Here also drag it up to 60 mm. Now with the rectangle tool, we make a rectangle like this. Make a rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool, drag it like this. Here also. Now select this handle, right click and make group. Similarly for this handle also, select it, right click and make group. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle of 30, 50 mm. Now go to push pull tool, select this face and drag it to here. Now select this whole body, go to move to and drag it up to here. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point change it there and make a car of 300 comma 300 comma. I want to land there, select this line to this point and make one line like this, make a fourth line like this, go to select to reduce and delete, go to erase to delete this line. Now I want to push one tool and drag it to here. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool, give value of 215. Again go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool and drag it up to here. Go to erase tool and do this line. Now go to line tool and create a slant line like this. Here also create a slant line like this. Go to push pull tool, drag it up here. So here also. Now the rectangle tool, hit this point and make the rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool, drag it up here. Now that our table is ready, let's give texture to it. For this, select this whole body, go to material, go to wool, and select this texture and give it to it. For handle, random colors, choose this color and give it here also. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.